What's happening, what's going on, team? It is Obedisa Mutupi. I'm excited that you're back on my YouTube channel. So today's video, I want us to take a look at gold, because in the past few weeks, I'd say maybe a week or two, there has been some high quality trades that I was able to catch from gold. In fact, let me show you this real quick. So starting here being one of the first trades that we were able to catch right here on gold, and you can see how it went after we were able to catch it. It was a buy limit, and then eventually price came and activated, and then boom, 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 price went all the way up until it hit take profit. And then once it hit take profit, there's also other scenarios that I want us to take a look at. But before that, the honest truth is that when I started my YouTube channel, it was to be able to just document on whatever that I'm going through in terms of the journey, the experiences, just so the next person can be able to learn. And even now, I understand that with gold, how it's moving right now, especially with the right trading conditions and everything, it's much more easier to be profitable trading gold at this time. So that's why I want to drop this strategy that I'm using to trade gold profitably, just so you can be able to get your hands to it. But it's not just about having it, it's about application. Once you're able to apply it to the rightest way, you'd be able to make as much money as possible. But that's literally on you. The amount of money that you make is in direct proportion to the amount of information that you have and the application of that exact same information. So let's do this and go straight right into it. Okay guys, so I did mention that I'm gonna walk you guys through trade by trade, because looking at it, there's like maybe 4 profitable trades that I was able to catch using this exact same strategy. So I want us to take a look at that same method that I'm talking about now. So let's now rephrase back to this section here. When price was still somewhere around here, you see here, this was when 4.197, let's just see 4.197. It was probably somewhere around here, 4.197. You can see it was somewhere here, and then I shared this amazing beautiful setup that you're seeing here. And with this one here, very nice and easy. What I saw here was obviously price came up creating these higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and obviously now it came and created higher high, higher low, higher high. But then eventually what it done is that it broke these higher lows here. So once it done that, I understood that there's a high chance that price could come back and sweep out these highs here in terms of maybe playing around these areas, but not even just there. Let me just zoom in a bit. At the same time, I was looking at these areas right here, these exact same areas, that fact that this was a higher high, this was a higher low, and these were new higher highs. Obviously this is a higher low, which means it has to hold. Prices shouldn't come beyond or below these areas here. So that's why the first entry for me made sense to be able to just place it right here, put a buy limit. I had a buy limit, and then as soon as I had that buy limit, it was executed. Didn't really take too long, within a few minutes, like maybe the next 5, because I think I put on a store here, so the next like 5-10 minutes it got activated. It played a bit. You see, there's also something, because some people are not willing to hold negatives, but with me, yeah, I did hold negatives. You can see it first started being negative, over 50% of drawdown, and then afterwards it shot up, came back down, and then it shot up. So now this was a verification. After it done this, when it was going upwards, I knew and understood this concept that yes, this was a higher low, but this is internal structure here. These are higher lows, higher highs inside of structure. But ultimately, this is swing high, this is swing low, which means that there's a high chance that we're going to come to the swing high, test it, and then go back down. Either we're going to break the swing low, let's say we're going to come to these swing highs, test it, and then go back down, either to break the low or to just fail and then go back up. So that's one thing that I understood. And after I took that information, that's where obviously take profit, we took take profit here. Let me just go back to see this. Everything is shared in the VIP group, so you can see right here. And then after we went, then this was when it got activated, and then this was when it started shooting upwards, moving in profits, and right here as well, moving close to profits, and then right here, and then boom, eventually here, because I was even locking in maximum profits. And then here, now when it was like this, after it hit take profit, I understood that scenario that I spoke about, which is why I was able to even draw this out to say, guys, I know that we took profit, but it's because of already here, this was good because I already took 1:2. Everything I'm targeting 1:2, so it was already hitting take profit. I understood. So now I was like, but it's more likely to get a sell and then go back down. And yeah, man, let me show you the next trade is where this one here. So just after we took take profit, I observed it, and after I observed it, it made perfect sense for me, because looking at it, this was the last bullish candlestick before price started shooting downwards, and I understood that there's a high chance of it being able to just be tested. So I put a sell limit, stop loss above, and then take profit. And then let's see what happened. Even here, after I sent it, after I shared it with them like this, let's just see what happened. I was like done with the first trade, will not hold on to it, hope it gives me the most. So I'm not gonna hold on to it, meaning that I'm not gonna like try to wanted to break above, and because most people what they do is that they wanted to go and go and go and go and go and give them 5x. So me, I just take my 1:2 and then I'm done, and then this is the second setup. You see here, I was like, boom, guys, I'm now going in for a sell. I already put a sell limit here, and then boom, got activated. And then you see, it didn't really waste time, truly speaking. This one here, it went, after it activated me, it went all the way down to take profit. It took like maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes. I was already hitting take profit. You see here, price was like now already hitting taking profits already. And then boom, because after he hit take profit on this one here, here's another thing. After he take profit, so now everything was starting to make sense, because with this as well, but with this, it hit take profit, went down, but it was making sense in terms of, look at it, this was a higher low, this is a higher high, and before that higher low was printed, we broke above here. That when we took that, so when we were coming down, I understood that we're coming to test the lows of these higher lows, so we don't want to break below the lows, and we will continue going back up. So that's why as soon as I took take profit here, I had another buy entry. I had a buy entry literally here, and then price 1:2. And let's see, after, you see here, we took take profit literally here, and then that's another entry, my buy entry, which is like this. I took take profit. After I took take profit, I had a buy entry, and then price shot all the way to the upside to hit take profit. So obviously with this 3 take profits in a row, all 1:2 take profits, which resulted to over 6% in just because I took my first entry somewhere around here, in just from 2:30 till take profit. The last one hit at 5:30. So like maybe 3 hours of trading was able to give us over 6%, and that was amazing. The fact that I was able to wait for these trades, I was able to follow through with my trading setups, and I was able to capitalize. But that's not it, because also yesterday, I want to show you, just yesterday we caught another beautiful trade, because I want to show you that this strategy that I'm using here works wonders. So yesterday, even this was yesterday we were able to, I was like, guys, looking, no, it was here actually, this was here. I was like, let me just go back to yesterday's charts here in the VIP, so we are able to exactly see how everything happened. This is today. I'm already sharing setups for today. So yesterday, this is how it was. We started off here. What was this? Gold. Yes, we started off here. We're looking into taking this buy. Let me see. Focusing more on gold. Yes, this is US tech. I was doing some analysis here, see how the price moves. Like here, I gave this analysis saying, guys, this is gonna do this, and look, it went down too quick, it didn't give me an entry. But this is gold. I'm looking for gold. Yeah, this was the first setup on gold. So price was still somewhere around here. It was here, ne? So, and I was like, guys, I'm looking into taking a buy and all these things. I showed them why it made sense and stuff. And eventually it hit my stop loss. I understand. Perfect. I took a buy somewhere here I took a buy, and then it hit my stop loss. But as soon as it hit my stop loss, look at it, because I understood one thing. It broke the lows. Some people, as soon as it hits stop loss, they're crying, they're thinking on how the market is against them. For me, it made sense. It hit my lows, and as well, I understood the prices to come back and test these areas before it could continue going downwards. That's one thing that I was able to pick up and know and work with, and check what happened afterwards. Yes, I updated, guys. Okay, it's okay. I hit my stop loss, but I'm not done. Look, here's another setup. I'm seeing it before it even went up to activate. Look at it. Price went up. We got activated with this nice weak entry. After we got activated right here, look at what happened. Boom, we started shooting down, because look, this is where we went. Sell limit. Okay, this was US tech, and I was like, okay, the market is melting, seeing another opportunity on gold now. And then see, activated. It activated, hits take profit. We hit take profit. Done. So one thing that I like about these methods is that they work, because either I'm buying, either I'm selling, I'm able to basically make profits from the market, whether it's going up and down. And that's just all because of understanding these specific strategies that we are trading. And even now, I'm seeing nice clean setups that are going to be coming out for today's session, and it's just amazing. The only best way that you can be involved with this so you don't miss out is obviously being in our Telegram group. Being in our Telegram group is going to help you, because all these strategies that we learn along the way, I'm able to just share how how I see the markets in real time, meaning that if I'm seeing something for today, I might share it in the Telegram group now and then. So obviously, if you are in there, you are not gonna miss out. And most people are asking me, what are the best brokers that I can be trading with that's gonna be able to give me the best trading conditions and the best, like, obviously if you're looking for things like fast withdrawals and everything that has to do with your trading success. I'll make sure that the second link in description is where you'd be able to get access to it. But for today, I'm done. I'm excited that you're able to get your hands on this amazing strategy. I'll see you on the next YouTube video. It is your buddy Samutupi, and I thank you so much for watching.